Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD driver error when you try to install this is the error 202. AMD software installer has detected that Windows update is currently in progress and cannot proceed until the update has successfully completed. So when you try to install the Adrenaline driver and the setup or the install cannot continue because of there is Windows update. So all you have to do, you can try to stop the Adrenaline installation and make sure you finish this Windows update. So you can open Windows update to check on the progress of current updates. This can be done by typing Windows Update settings without quotes, of course, in the taskbar. Then hit the enter key. If an update is in progress, wait until it completes. And after completion, restart the system and then install the AMD software package or Adrenaline edition. If an update has completed about pending a system restart, please restart the system, then reinstall the AMD software package. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.